Today we want to talk to you about Atomy stainless steel scrubbers.
Atomy stainless steel scrubbers come in a pack of 2. They are a multi-purpose cleaning tool and they are made of high-grade stainless steel, which gives them many benefits. The high-grade stainless steel also promotes better hygiene with high resistance to rust. And you can use these scrubbers on more than just kitchen appliances.
They come in a package of 2. They look like this. They're very soft because they're made of durable and soft stainless steel threads.
So these stainless steel scrubbers are not only used effectively in the kitchen, but they are also used on things like barbecue grills and tire wheels and bathrooms and different things like that.
Thank you for watching this video.
See you next time!